Hi guys, hello YouTube, I'm Mini Dobby and this is Mini Diaries. Welcome back to another episode of us pissing about with minis down the yard. If you would have seen the previous episode, you would have seen us take the engine out of mine and also the start of Deano's clutch as well, which is almost finished and is back together again. Fingers crossed that it's going to work. I've got to split my engine. I picked up the gearbox in the last episode as well, so that's ready or almost ready to go on.
Don't be petrol for that.
Sorry?
You won't be petrol for that.
Pardon? I've also got some other engine. I've also got some other engine bits here as well. I'm going to change my clutch housing because it was broke where the starter motor went in. So the new one's cleaned. Got to put a new oil seal in there when I get that. So please stay tuned. We're going to split the engine, finish off Deano's, hopefully get that running. If you're new here, please hit subscribe. If you're not, thank you for coming back and hit that thumbs up button. Let's get cracking. So hello Rick.
Hello Rick.
Hello Deano.
Hello Deano, you right?
And hello Deano's engine. Almost finished, look at that. Back in, looking all nice and square. And hopefully with a working clutch this time. I think it's just the engine steady to do up, the ultimate engine steady. And anything else, Dean? Or Rick, did Rick do it for you all before you got here?
Oil, water left to do, and ultimate engine steady. Fire it up.
Fingers crossed. Let's go, Deano. And Rick.
Let's go, Rick.
They go try the clutch.
Yeah, I'm right.
You happy, Dave?
It's not right at the top now, where it should be. At the bottom.
And it sounds better.
Still ain't sounding much.
So now that we've got Deano's car running, he's over there dumping out his old oil that he's not going to leave for us like everyone else does. Rick's been itching a little bit to break my engine up for me. I've cleaned it all up, the bits are ready to go. I'm just going to crack it, get this clutch housing off, clean all the faces up, and then I'm ready for it all to go back together, almost. The gearbox is over there, I'm cleaning that up. Hopefully I can fit it with a central oil pickup pipe as well before we fit it. So I'm going to record Rick doing my engine and get some sexy shots and not get my hands dirty, although they already are. So let's get cracking.
lost all them screws because it tapped off front bumper.
So that's all it.
That's all it.
I'm trying to be bug.
Trying to be bug.
Stop it.
Stop it.
So that's it. Successful story with Deano's one. His clutch is running. He took it up and down the road. He said all of the gears worked, which is great news. My engine's all split and ready waiting for the parts. Thank you, Rick.
No worries, dude.
Coming, it's going round to you, look. It's moving. Coming up next, as this was a short episode, is Mark's engine, one of the Coopers, the one with the carb on. His engine's ready to go back in. He's coming down the yard at the weekend, so we're going to be fitting that. So please stay tuned and hit subscribe as well. Please leave any questions or comments or any feedback down below. It'd be great to hear from you guys. Please stay safe and be lucky. And goodbye from Rick.
And goodbye from Dobby.